Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to make raviolis. Raviolis is a delicious Italian meal cuisine item, but I'm going to be making them American style. What are American style meal cuisine dinner food raviolis, you might ask? Well, let me just say that they're a better, more delicious, healthier, sexier, gooier type of raviolis. To make American raviolis, you'll just need a few ingredients: bread, peanut butter, and jelly. Ideally, you'll be using Smucker's brand premix stripe sauce, goober flavored butter jelly hybrid shelf-stable lunch mix paste sauce. But if you can't find that, just use whatever butter and jelly you've got around. But make sure it's Smucker's brand. If you don't use Smucker's, then I don't get my paycheck. Take your Smucker's brand products and stack them up high and mush them up down. Mush them together nice and hard. Mush, 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 mush. Whoops, I don't know what that was about. Whoops, I don't know what that was about. Boil it for 6 minutes and serve with your favorite Smucker's brand tomato sauce and enjoy with your family or somebody else's.